Lesson 2. I hope that you enjoyed watching the cleaner effortlessly following a process that cleaned every item and area in a large master bath in about 30 minutes. It is important for you to know the cleaner is an actual cleaner, not an actress. Carrie was one of my very first cleaners over 30 years ago when she learned how to clean a home using a process. It became habit for her. Carrie is still in the cleaning industry, just not a cleaner anymore. She is now a key player in a virtual office position of a very large cleaning service where she also follows processes. Process is habit. It is repeating the same thing over and over and over again until you almost do not have to think about it, like brushing your teeth. Experts tell us it can actually take 254 times of repeating something before it becomes a habit. It depends upon how hard the habit is, like exercising every day. For some, that is a habit that will need to be done 254 times before they do without thinking about it. For me, probably 500 times. It is also more difficult if you have old habits to break. If you are an experienced cleaner who never followed a system, it could actually take longer for this process to become a habit for you than someone who has never cleaned before. They will probably embrace having a process to follow. Most new employees on any new job appreciate training and processes to follow. We are going to use repetition to teach you the process for cleaning a bathroom. If you remember, setting up for a successful bathroom cleaner means touching every surface and item, and following this process will guarantee you will do exactly that each and every time you clean a bathroom in the time allowed for that bathroom. By now you probably have 2 sketches of a bathroom in front of you, one with a lot of numbered circles on it that looks like this, and another with a lot of empty circles on it that looks like this. We are going to use these simulations to turn our process for cleaning a bathroom into a habit before you ever walk into an actual home. You also have an order list in front of you that looks like this. This will become the core of your bathroom process. It lists the 8 steps you follow and what you do in each step. These 8 steps are not in the same order that Carrie followed in the video because you are learning how to clean a repeat home. Some of the steps that Carrie followed were for first-time in client that you will learn later. Now you need to start numbering the empty sketch, which will help you to memorize the process you will follow. Go to your numbered sketch and your order list, either one, and look for number 1. The first step when cleaning a bathroom is to place your carrying caddy and your long duster next to the sink. So you want to put a 1 in the circle on the floor next to the sink on your empty sketch. Next, look at your numbered sketch, or you again can go to your order list and look at numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. It does not matter what order they are in as long as 2, 3, 4, and 5 are in the next 4 circles. Because the next thing you do is gather the trash and the rugs and place them outside of the door and out of your way. After we gather the trash, we begin long dusting. We begin in the first corner by the door. You will always begin in the first corner closest to the door because you can generally reach the halfway to the wall on the left and halfway to the wall on the right from that corner, if not the entire bathroom with your long duster. You will dust everything on the top you can reach as far as you can reach, and then everything on the bottom you can reach as far as you can reach before you take a step. Continue through all 38 circles until you can complete the circles without looking at the numbered sketch or your order list, because that means you have memorized the order or process you will follow to clean a bathroom. Putting in the correct numbers in the correct circles will become a habit for you. It will probably take numerous times to get the order correct. That is why this sketch is called a simulator. You do it over and over again in something that resembles a bathroom. We want you to have some place to learn the process or flow other than in a client's home. Believe me, in time it will become a habit and you will know exactly what to do when you start in an actual home. When you can complete the simulator without making an error, you will be ready to learn step 3. Have fun with this training tool. You really are on the cutting edge of simulator training. Congratulations and good luck. See you when you have mastered the process.